I think we were very, very impressed with the training that we had. It's been very difficult for directors to get training that is relevant to our needs, but we think the training that we had was very, very relevant to the challenges that we faced. And indeed, many of the points that were raised in those training programs, we've tried to take them on board, and with our new manager, are looking at ways to implement many of the recommendations, which we think are very well based and very valuable.
One of our trustees is a solicitor. In fact, she was the county's solicitor and quite a respected member of her profession. And we actually broke for a drink about 11 o'clock, and she came up to me, tapped me on the shoulder and said this was actually the best training session that she'd ever attended in her whole professional career.
The trainers were very affable and easy to get on with. I think that they had a good insight into the challenges that we as a business faced, that they were pretty realistic in terms of the environment in which we're operating, and weren't putting forward ideas or solutions that were really unattainable or unrealistic. And just generally, the type of training we had, we felt it was relevant, not too demanding, but very informative.
Calling in some professional help to make sure that you do have the strategic vision, because that's what you need for the future. Well, I couldn't recommend it enough.